Hello everyone, welcome back to the Cargo channel and welcome to the new Mercedes Benz GLC 300. I am just kidding, this is not my car. This car is provided to us by Silverstar Mercedes Benz on Norton Boulevard, Queens, New York. Thank you, Silverstar. And let's do a quick walk around the GLC 300. This car is a 2019 and has only 1,000 miles on it, so it's brand new. Let's take a look at the 18-inch 5-spoke wheels with Pirelli tires. That is how it comes from the factory. We're gonna do a little walk around. 4MATIC badge, courtesy of Silverstar. GLC 300. Very nice, clean outside shape. There it is. So it is kind of cold and windy outside, so let me invite you to the interior of the GLC 300. Very nice, clean lines everywhere. Nice speakers. Infotainment system. The car, as I said, has only 1,000 miles on the clock, so it's practically brand new, and it's 2019. Also, it's fall, so there is a pumpkin right there in the middle. Underneath this pumpkin, there are 2 cup holders. Okay, and this is the command for the infotainment system, which is right there. As every modern car, this also has navigation and good stereo and, you know, the boring stuff. I like the round shape of the vents. They're really nice. There are 5 of them, 3 in the center console and 1 on each side. Now I'm sitting in the back and it's quite comfortable. There is plenty of space for feet, legs. There's plenty of leg room around. I want to talk about where the GLC stands in the Mercedes-Benz lineup. The GLC is the compact SUV, as the letters say C, as in the C class, and then Mercedes branded them GLE, the next step up, which is the replacement for the past MLs, and then they have the GLS, which is the successor of the GL from before. So that is their biggest SUV, besides the G-Wagon and the 4x4 squared and 6x6, of course. The mainstream SUVs, they go like this: GLA, which is the micro crossover kind of SUV, GLC, which is this, and then GLE and GLS. Now, as I said, there is plenty of room. This car starts right at around $42,000 for the base model GLC 300, and what we have here is the sticker. As I said, $42,700. It is the base price. This particular car is equipped with a few extras, so it has $47,400, which is a great value considering the C-Class that we drove last year. I think the C300 was a bit more expensive than this. So let me run you through the few extras on this. One of them is the panorama roof, which is this. Panorama roof is very cool. It makes the car heavy and the ceiling lower, but this is not a sports car, so it looks really cool in here, and then it brings quite a lot of sunlight inside the car. Another thing is the blind spot assist. That is good, and it's only $550, which is not terrible. Heated steering wheel, which you need if you live right here north in New York City like I do. And then you have a few pre-wiring seat entertainment and comfort adapters, and the premium package with the satellite radio, blah 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 blah. Now, main things about this car: it has a 2-liter 4-cylinder that produces 241 horsepower. Let's get in the front seat and feel those 241 horsepower. Alright, we're now in the 4 seats. The automatic seat belts gently tuck you in. We're going to put the car in comfort mode and gently drive off. The car is also equipped with 9-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, which is really smooth, as a matter of fact, smoother than my handheld camera. Also, it's very, very, very quiet, so feels perfectly fine when you don't push it. Now we're gonna switch to Sport. All settings are adjusted a little bit. Now we have nowhere to race and no space around here, but if you press the gas you can feel that it has a little more oomph. Now we're gonna flip the switch one more time and we're gonna put the car into Sport Plus mode. And right now we're in automatic transmission, but even the automatic transmission does a great job. If we step on it, we can see that it goes quite fast, and it holds the RPMs because it's stuck in Sport Plus and expect us to be pushing the car. Alright. Next reasonable thing for me to do in a urban environment is to hit the manual button, which is right there. And now we're in manual, so we can command the car by these little pedal shifters on the side of the steering wheel, and why not floor it. Ooh. We have even in manual you have indicators to shift down and up. We also have a student driver on the front, so we'll behave. Put in first gear, and we're gonna go inside this parking lot. See, indicator to shift on second, shifting on second, and I think we're gonna put the car back through this button and drive, and there it is. So now the transmission does its own thing, and we're gonna, through this thing, we're gonna put the transmission all the way back in economic mode, where everything is all about the miles per gallon. And miles per gallon are good. This is not a sports car, even though it can go fast. It shouldn't, like, you know, you should take care of the environment. So alright, what else can I tell you about the GLC? Let's look at the trunk space. Automatic trunk, as most of modern cars have. Of course, decent sized trunk with the seat, even with the seats up, and there are buttons right here for automatically folding the seats. When you fold the seats, it's quite a lot of trunk space. Well, actually, you can probably fit a small bed over here for 2 small children or 1 adult. Matter of fact, yep, not too shabby. And you can look at the stars if you lay down over here, which is quite good. Alright, let's get out. Of course, button. And if your car has a button to close the hatch or the trunk, you should probably press it, otherwise you're gonna break the motors of the car itself. Well, it's healthier for the car. One thing I like about the keyless entry, keyless go, you can just walk out of the car, press the button on the door handle, and the car locks itself. You can just walk. When you come back, you just pull the handle. Let me show you. This is how you lock it. And then you just walk to it, open the door, and you're in. This is most of the cool stuff that I found about the Mercedes Benz GLC 300. Let me know if you liked the review by hitting the thumbs up. Subscribe for a lot more videos to come, reviews like this of cars, car prod, participation in car events, and working on my car Slate, which is currently on the shop for somebody else to work on. We're changing the SBC pump for free. If you missed that video, that's the previous video. Well, thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!